Hello everyone. To create our new circuit, we will open tinkercad.com. Inside that, from the left side, we will choose circuits, then create new circuit button. Click it. So the first thing we are going to add is a breadboard. So we will write breadboard, then choose breadboard small. The first component is there are two batteries. So it will be two batteries of 1.5 volt. Together it will be 3 volt. So I will add battery, 1.5 volt battery. Then from the options, make it count two batteries. So there are two batteries together. So I will connect the positive terminal to the positive power line of the breadboard and the negative terminal, that is the black one, to the negative power line of the breadboard. Next in our circuit we have one push button. So I will clear the search, then write push button. It's already there. I will select the push button. I will place it here. I will place the push button across the separation of the breadboard. Then I will connect the positive line of the battery to the first terminal of the push button and make it red color, the wire. Next, the next terminal of the push button is connected to a resistor. So I will add a resistor. So I will write resistor. Then select the resistor. Make it 220 ohm. So I will write 220. Then ohm is the unit. Then I will rotate the resistor. So that is the button for rotation. Select the resistor. Click rotate. Then connect the resistor to the next terminal of the push button. Those 5 holes are connected together, so I can connect to any hole in that 5 holes. Next, the resistor is connected to an LED. So I will write LED in the search bar. Then choose the LED. Then the anode of the LED should be connected to the resistor. So again, I will rotate the LED and connect the anode of the LED to the resistor, any of those 5 holes, 5 nodes. Then the cathode is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. And since it's a negative line, I will make it black color. Okay, now our circuit is complete. To make it run, I will click start simulation and press the push button. If the circuit is correct, your LED will be glowing like this. To stop the circuit, I will click stop simulation, and at the top I can write a new name for my circuit for saving. So I will write design 1 LED push button. So it's saved. If I go back to the dashboard of Tinkercad, I can see my circuit is here.